black bacon. Ingredients are in the list below with the method. I unfortunately smashed out pestle and mortar a while back, so I'm having to use a bag to crush the fennel seeds, coriander and peppercorns. You only want a rough crush, not too fine, not like you'd put them in a spice grinder. That'd be a bit too fine. Right, ordinary salt, I use pink Himalayan, and the curing salt, Prague number 1. Guinness, and of course black treacle. I'm trying the piece of belly pork off. You'll never get the treacle to stick otherwise, so the pork belly needs to be nice and dry. And now the fun starts. Get in the 2 tablespoonfuls of black treacle to stick. It starts off where it wants to slide everywhere, but eventually you do get it. This has taken about 3 or 4 minutes so far to get it evenly covered on the sides and everything. And now comes the spice. I put a small amount of spice on the meat side of the belly pork to make sure that it's starting to stick. Now, if you think getting the treacle to stick to the belly pork was difficult, try putting a piece of belly pork covered in treacle into a plastic bag. Not easy, but we managed it. Now the opposite side, the rind side now is covered. The rest of the spices go in. And about 130-140 I used milliliters of Guinness. Try and get most of the air out of the bag and get it covered onto a tray and into the fridge for 7 days.